You met with the prosecutor.
Yes.
You understood your rights and the options those rights give you? And you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle June 29, 25 in Romulus?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? HU?
A routine courtroom docket quickly reveals a case involving property damage, drop charges, and a defendant seeking closure. After agreeing to plead guilty to malicious destruction of property, the defendant must answer for an incident that escalated far beyond a simple dispute. What begins as a standard plea hearing soon uncovers a deeply personal story behind the offense.
Yes.
Would you adjust the thermostat back there for Heather?
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right, let's see what we got for files. Hunter. 2 files. All right, it says here that you're going to plead guilty to malicious destruction of private property, and the prosecutor wants me to dismiss the retail fraud, correct?
Yeah.
Did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Do you understand those rights and the options they give you?
Yeah.
And you understand the possible penalty for malicious destruction?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Tell me what happened on January 27, 2023 in Romulus that makes you think you're guilty of that charge. Did you destroy somebody's property or damage somebody's property?
Yes.
What property?
Oh, that's where I'm on the counter and I didn't come down.
Okay. All right. And this was at Madco on E-Course in Inkster? Okay. Okay. I can accept your plea. I will dismiss the retail fraud charge. The prosecutor says that there's a restitution amount of $160 that you've agreed to. All right. Are you working, ma'am? What do you do?
I have a pet service.
What kind of stuff?
Just reference. That's
Oh, taxes. I thought you said tech, like technology. Okay. All right. How do we avoid you since 23?
I've been blind for 2.5 years. And at first it was just I couldn't see anything and I had to get an assistant and a caretaker.
So tell me that story. What caused you to lose your sight and then you got it back?
I got my lashes done. Woke up the next day. Mine was just not funny, but I have to laugh so I don't cry.
What was it, chemicals or what?
Yes, I have a disease called VKH in my system because of my Indian blood.
Never heard of that.
Yeah, it's rare. And the chemical in the glue that they chose to use that wasn't lash glue caused a reaction.
Okay. So how did you get better? Just had to get out of your system?
Once they figured out what the disease was, they got a plan of treatment. I have surgery in September. And so I will be able to see out my eyes, but the disease will still be in my blood.
Okay. All right. So you've got, your vision is still impaired.
Yes, I can see like 2 lights on side of you and I can hear your voice.
Okay. Okay. So you can't even tell how dashingly good looking I am?
No.
What a shame. Joe, get her phone, take a picture. So after the surgery, she. Okay. So when's the surgery scheduled?
Go to say to get the actual date.
Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
The case takes an unexpected turn when the defendant explains the medical condition that left her nearly blind for years. What appeared to be a straightforward criminal matter suddenly becomes a story of severe health struggles, surgeries, and daily hardship. The courtroom's focus shifts from the damaged property to the human circumstances that may have fueled the emotional outburst.
Wow, what a story.
I know, like, firstly, they owe me money, but that was why I knocked the stuff off the counter, because I was just going to pick up my cousin, and she was walking on the side of the road out of the trailer park.
Right.
sidewalk or anything, and I gave them my money for gas, and there was no gas coming off the pump.
Right.
And he wouldn't give me my money back.
Yeah. So you got frustrated. Yeah. Yeah.
But, okay.
All right, let's see. And you've already posted bond money.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do. All right, so on the file, including restitution, the total is $450. So I'm going to apply your bonds. I took the bond from the dismissed file, put it on this file. You're still going to owe us some money though, because we've got bond fees, and so it's going to be about $180 will close you out. Can you do that today?
Yes.
All right, go on downstairs and see the cashiers. They'll figure it all out. Once again, good luck with your eyes. He certainly has that. You should just walk away. Go downstairs to the cashier. Spirit. One Durfall, your appearance.
Rights of your staff, the legal source, Court Justice, and it's P80445. I mean, rare attorney, G. Clements, on behalf of Mr. Bill, and his presence.
Desmond Oliphant.
Thank you. Do you know if he filed an appearance? Because we don't have anything in the system yet.
It's my understanding, he did. I'm not certain, but if not, I'll check.
Just not on the RLA? Okay. In the computer, not on paper.
Okay.
All right. Would you waive formal reading so we can arraign?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll enter a not guilty plea. Counsel, you got a radio voice. What are you doing? What are you doing this for?
I've heard that many times.
Well, maybe they're right. Maybe you should like branch out. Maybe a radio show that talks about the law.
Yeah.
All right. So what are we doing today?
Yes, sir.
Adjourn date?
During the 18th of September, agreed upon by the City Council, we just need to start on this meeting.
Sure.
9.
Time.
9.
9 o'clock on 9/18? Live here. And I'm assuming you're not going to talk me out of a personal bond for Mr. Oliphant? All right. Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work? How long you been there?
5 years.
All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond, sir, with 3 conditions. First one's pretty obvious, stay out of trouble. Second one's really obvious, be here for court on September 18th. Third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules?
Sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond?
Sir.
Any questions? Counsel, we good? We'll get you a paper notice before you leave. You're all set. Have a good day, gentlemen.
With restitution ordered and remaining court costs assessed, the case reaches its final resolution. The defendant agrees to satisfy the outstanding balance, bringing the criminal matter to a close. In the end, this hearing serves as a reminder that behind many court cases are personal battles that never appear in the original charges.